Alright, we are back. As always, got the boy, got the girl,
and another boy.
And we got a third helper. The wife has ordered me this one from BUDK, the 5 knife from the Scratch and Dent for $22.99. Plus, she had a promo code, I guess, to get a free knife in here. So there should be 6 knives in this bag, pocket knives. And we're going to use our BUDK knife to try to get her open. Maybe.
That's not doing nothing.
Alright, I guess that's good enough. Alright, what do you think we got in here? Goldfish?
Yeah, goldfish. I want a fishy.
Alright, let's see.
No, eating that dog.
See if I can find the,
Find it.
hold on.
Where's it now?
Let's see. Alright. Reach in there and hand me one.
This one.
Alright, we have a kissing crane. Kissing crane, and it is. It just says BKSD03, which is going to be the package on this one.
Ooh.
So, here we get paperwork. This is telling you congratulations for getting you a kissing crane. Here is a certification. Look at that.
Ooh, I want this one. It's like nice.
Oh, I
Yeah,
like
that has a, I don't know what you call that. Some kind of rainbow style scales on it. Yeah, maybe some kind of marble type. Looks like it has the Damascus blade on it.
Ooh, I like that one. I like that one.
Damascus blades. It's kind of a
Ooh.
trapper kind of knife. No lock. Let's see.
Ooh, I want that one.
It's sharp.
I want that one. I want that one.
Not bad. Looks good. I don't know. Yeah, that one's pretty sharp.
Yep.
There you go. We ordered a few of these BUDKs, and we finally got us a kissing crane. Seems to be a very popular knife that BUDK likes to send out to people, and we have one to add to our, add to our collection. All right, here we got one that says HAVOC.
I bet you this is the free knife.
Maybe. This one is BK4586.
So it's not part of the package?
Handcrafted in China. Yeah, this is the
Grim Reaper.
The Grim Reaper Karambit. Got for free. And we don't have a Karambit, so this will be the first one.
Nah, not for me.
Go up and down with it. Turn it this way. There you go.
Not a bad looking knife.
You can only see it. I can get closer to the camera. You can see the details of the Grim Reaper. Oh no.
That little.
Looks good. A little heavy. Opens really fast.
Yeah,
You don't
got
have
a
to
good spring in it.
You don't have to put much weight on it either.
That scares me.
I just don't like
Hold
the
it.
sound. when
Don't
you
open it.
It's pretty nice.
It's pretty nice, huh? Of course, these ones I guess are more for self-defense, fighting kind of knives.
Fight zombies.
Could be fighting zombies.
Well,
It's not near as sharp as the kissing crane. Of course, I don't think these are supposed to be razor sharp, maybe, because they're more for
Poking.
poking people,
like zombies.
like zombies. So it's, but for a free knife, it's pretty cool. I guess you can't really complain about a knife that didn't cost you no money. And now we have a Rampage style knife in our collections of knives. You gonna pick out the next one, you and your baby boy?
This one.
All right, what do we got here?
The Rampage.
The Rampage tailwind ball bearing. No number on this one other than the BK number for the package we bought.
That's cool.
It's kind of a I don't know, that may be aluminum or just a really hard plastic. It's hard to tell. Backside here is definitely metal. Then we got a 3CR13 on the blade.
What does that mean?
I'm not sure if that's the metal they're using or
Is it a flick?
yeah, centering's pretty good. All black styling on it. Wanna hold that one?
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's pretty heavy and pretty cool.
Yeah, it is, ain't it? It's kind of got the lightweight style with everything carved out of it.
Light. Good handling.
Thank you.
Could do something.
Let's go with the old pink paper test.
Yeah, not sharp.
And some of this too. I mean, apparently this knife
Oh,
kind of sharp there down there at the edge. And a lot of this too has to do with if you're holding the knife right at the right angle. So some of this could be operator error.
yep.
Some of this is definitely the knife is decent. But any of these knives, if you wanted to put a little time in, you could put an edge on them if you wanted a better one. All right, now we have the Black Legion. The Black Legion makes a lot of stuff for BUDK.
Ooh, it has a light on it.
Oh, it has a little
Ooh, I love playing with the light.
flashlight on it. You don't see too many knives with flashlights on it.
Can I keep that flashlight?
So that's a little different.
What does this
Got
say?
metal handles. Says U.S. Special Forces. It's got the glass breaker.
Seatbelt
Seatbelt cutter. Which I guess is
So it's emergencies.
Yeah, this would be what they're calling a survival knife.
I'm keeping that one. I like the light and the stuff.
Ooh,
There you go.
nice looking knife.
This is BV403 China.
So does that mean that's made in China?
Yes, made in China. Heavy. It's all metal.
Is it? Looks good. Light to twist on. We should test out the glass breaker.
Yeah, this is gonna break the glass out in our car. That one's a little heavier, huh?
Uh-huh. It's very cool. I love the flashlight on it.
I mean the glass under the shed.
The other way. Yeah, I don't know if I've ever seen a flashlight with a little light on it.
Uh-huh.
I haven't
What
seen
about
one with the glass
the-
breaker before. Well, held one.
Kinda.
I love all the stuff on it.
Of course, this one's serrated.
That one is a pretty sharp knife.
Yeah, that one's
That's sharp.
pretty sharp too. U.S. Special Forces survival knife with a little flashlight.
Mm-hmm.
All right, baby, pick out one.
I have my baby girl now. I want to pick out this one.
All right, what we got here? We got a Rampage assisted open stiletto.
Hey, we just got a Rampage.
Yeah, this is our second Rampage.
Cool.
Ooh.
We got a little
Manual.
book trying to sell us the rest of their stuff.
Does it
Little
show the one that we
hatchet.
got?
Some little billy clubs. One of those cyclones, spike things. And let's see, I gotta.
Let's look this one and that one.
Move this way. This
Does
is
that say
our.
Police?
This is our very. It says United. This is my first stiletto style knife also. So we got to add 2 brand new styles of knives to the old collection.
How do you close it? Oh. What is
What is
your
this?
question?
It's not doubled edge.
It's very, very heavy.
Yeah.
And it's really cool. It's the one with the black on it.
Yeah, the old black is a
Uh-huh.
good way to go. Very.
You can hold it in your pocket when you're traveling.
Really pointy.
Oh, Dick.
Why does it have 2?
It's okay.
I don't know.
It's okay, baby.
Supposed to be the handles, I guess.
Really weird.
It's bit. I know that these are supposed to be for this.
So your hands don't slip up on it.
That hurt.
Yeah.
See, she has a little bit of an edge to her.
Oh, that's sharp.
It's got back here not so much.
The tip is
Up on this edge, up on this part it's a little sharper, but again, I don't really know much about these style knives. Again, this may be more of a poker than anything else.
and the last one.
Shauna Assisted Opening Pocket Knife.
Assistant opening. Mm.
We got, see if I can get this sticker off. We got a few, we actually get a little information on this knife and what it is.
That could be my baby.
And I'm not going to read it all to you.
Yeah.
Titanium electro dip blade, G10 handle scales on it, but I don't know if you want to get that a little closer, so if they do want to see the specs on it. There's all the specs on it, so far this knife is going to look like be the little better knife out of the box maybe.
That looks
With
like
the-
one of yours.
With the G10 handle scales, centering on this one looks perfect. And it says titanium on it, which is not truly a titanium knife blade. It's just dipped in that.
Titanium metal.
Yeah, it's just dipped in like a titanium coating. Well, that's not a bad looking knife right there. The lanyard hole in it.
I wonder what this says.
I don't know if you can see it. If anybody knows what that means, comment below.
What did it say?
Almost flicks to the very top. Sharp. Yeah, I can't close that one.
Test it out.
Oh. Think of that one.
It's really cool and it's really heavy for me.
Really heavy.
Ooh.
Can you make me more stuff?
That one's
Yeah,
really
this one.
sharp.
This one's gonna get the job done.
Cut that piece off.
That cleaned your arm off.
That one's sharp.
see.
That
You
one's
got the
sharp.
hair off of your. That's quite
I need a-
nasty.
That one they put an edge on.
Look at my hair.
Yeah, Daddy's not gonna do that to you.
My hair is stuck
So-
on my body.
Ew, it took skin off too.
Can I
So there
see?
you go. There's the pride and the joy of the box right there. This one appears to
Yeah,
be
so
pretty
yours
razor
is-
sharp, ready to go. All right.
Bye.
Going. All right. Here we got our kissing crane, which the dog is want to know what Mama's doing. A kissing crane, which I am glad to get. A kissing crane. Again, I think kissing crane is kind of a BUDK staple.
Yep.
And I personally like BUDK, and I'm glad to have a kissing crane finally. Here we got the tailwind, which is just what it is. And then we got the special ops survival knife with a little flashlight on it. And then we got this Solito, which is another first for the collection. And then we got the I can't remember.
Had a weird name.
And then we got the Karambit, the free knife.
And the one who got Daddy's hairs off.
Yeah.
About to poop my pants.
All right. That was the BUDK 5 knives, 5 mystery knives in their scratch and dent. You know, I think we did. My wife ordered this one actually. I think she did all right. Got the kissing crane. This one, I may actually start carrying this one. Give it a good test out. The
NANASHI.
Ashana, that seems to be a pretty decent knife. I'm not. Our next one, I'm not real sure what way we're gonna go. I don't know if we'll go BUDK or maybe step the game up a little bit. But you guys want to keep watching, see which ones come next.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
And like the video.
Like the video. Throw in a couple comments. Maybe if you want to see us. If you want any ideas of which kind of package you'd like to see us try next, let us know. All right.
Bye.